Hey guys, it's Bryn. Thanks so much for watching. I have been seeing this Joah brown super croppity crop top on my feed. Instagram is sending me so many ads for it, so I decided to make it. And I also decided to make this keyhole top out of a turtleneck that I have. Super excited to show you guys, so let's jump right in. To start off, I'm using this Calvin Klein bralette along with this men's Hugo Boss wife beater slash tank top, I guess is the more appropriate term for it, that I stole from my boyfriend because I never want to see him wear this. This is what it looks like on. I have no idea how it fits him, but anyway, first we are going to take in the shoulder area because the Joah brown top is very tight around the neck. So I'm just taking some excess material and pinning it down because I'm going to cut it and then resew. So once I get my desired neckline and I'm happy with it and it's even on both sides, then I'm just going to roll the top up and mark where I want the top to be cut. The top does go on a diagonal, so I'm just going to mark right in the center for now. So I like where that is. It is very sexy and very cropped. Is this even a top? It's like 1/3 of a top, maybe even a quarter. That's what it looks like, and I'm always using that guide to kind of be my muse, I guess. I'm taking a ruler from that spot and just using it to draw a straight line so that I can angle this very straightly. And then once I'm happy with that line, oops, some runaway chalk, let's put that away. Once I'm happy with that line, I'm going to cut by folding the top in half so both sides are even. I also cut the excess material from the shoulders as well, and it's super simple. From this point, it's just sewing. So I'm going to, of course, create a little 0.5-inch hem around the bottom and then sew the tops together, sew the shoulders together. And that's what everything looks like pinned. This is the most time-consuming part of sewing, but it's so worth it when you do it properly. And I'm going to sew along these pins with a straight stitch. And here's my top. I thought it was super cute. It came out as a little bit of a lettuce hem, but regardless, I love the way that this looks. This top retails for $48 US, and I made this for $0, so I'm really happy with how this turned out. Next up, I'm taking this lime green turtleneck that I got from Hot Miami Styles. I know, don't judge me. From Hot Miami Styles years ago that I've never worn because it just never fit an outfit that I was wearing. So I decided maybe I'll like it more as a keyhole top. It's such a pretty color, it'll be very summery and fun. This is my favorite bra that I'm wearing, and I have a feeling I'm going to be wearing it with this top a lot, so I wanted to make sure that my bra straps wouldn't show. So I'm using the natural seam of my bra to create these markings. Once I did that, I of course cleaned it up because it wasn't perfect. I'm drawing a straight line to make sure everything is the right length so that it can connect on the top and the bottom. So making adjustments as necessary. Then I'm creating a very slight arch using that straight line as a guideline. Then I do the exact same thing for the bottom part of the keyhole. I'm the worst at drawing straight lines, so using guidelines really makes a difference for me. Then I'm using my ruler to create a 1/2 inch seam allowance. I'm marking little dots all over and then connecting them. Once that's done, I cut through the front of my shirt, making sure to not cut the back because I only want the hole at the front. And I'm cutting on that seam allowance line that I created so that I can fold up that seam allowance and create a nice even circle. Once everything is pinned, it's a nice even circle ready for sewing. And here is my spicy, sexy keyhole top. I'm really happy with how this came out. It definitely spiced up the top. I mean, it was really tight, so it's not like I could wear it to work. So this adds a little bit more flavor and fun to it. Let me know which top you guys like more. I had so much fun making these, and they're both so cute and so different. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!